Let's just start it brand new. Oh, I want to put, hold on, I want to go here. I wonder if I can, because I want to, no, I already have that one, so can I? Weird. Okay, well that works. I get it bigger than normal chat, so that's fine. And it's still showing OBS. Okay, that works. A village. Oh my god, I spawned in near a village. Awesome. And a death cave. Okay, great. Let's go to the village. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, squid. Ink much? No. Oh, there's a jungle. Dun, 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 dun. Yummy. My neighbor's barbecuing, so all the smoke comes in here. Not all of it, I'm just kidding, but enough to smell it. Dun, 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 dun. Still getting used to the Oh shoot.
Galaxies in draft mode, debug dreams in crystal dust. I see destinies in deltas, every change a sacred trust. You are forging paths of wonder, I am born to walk them through.
Okay. That's gonna drive me nuts. What am I talking about? I'm keeping track of it up here. And what day is it? It's a Monday at 5:45. So yeah, there's this combustion engine that's very efficient at burning petroleum in my backyard right now. And then there'll be a leaf blower blowing SH around in my backyard in about 20 minutes. Yeah, and it's loud as shit, bro. Enough with the sensors. Pissed off. And it's all good. I never have to worry about yard maintenance. What are those, melons? Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Uh-oh, we got some burning going on. That's not good. Oh, there's a ruined portal. And it's ruining the city as we speak. Bum, 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 bum. This happens every time with this particular type of village. You have to fix the water features. I love that they've never even touched this glitch. Silence screams so loud among the dust where no hearts are allowed. Glimpse of gold, dream to hold. The stars, they whisper secrets I can't hear. A night's a promise, and it feels so near. I drift through shadows, void I wander, a heart of stone. Chasing starlight, across the endless sea. For a reason. Am I on fire? Why was I on fire, bro? A fragile plea. There's a chest and a bed. Computer, put out the damn fire. There, put it out. In my wake, each one a story. Flying with so much at stake. What the heck, bro? Oh. I tripped over some. I accidentally tripped over lava. My name swallowed by the night. I push forward, still chasing the light. I'm chasing starlight. Lava next to your garden? Call lava away today. Computer, place this dirt. There you go. Wow. This is for real. Bro, would you take care of this lava here, bro? Come on. All that carries me. I'm chasing starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason. What the heck? Through cosmic echoes, you're a fragile plea. Ooh. What a great start to the stream, Jeff. I know. Choking on lawnmower fumes and burning your village down and... Alright, let's eat some more bread here. Don't worry, folks, we will recover. We are in the midst of a recovery. Please stand by. Lines a blur. Ba-da-da. We do have a bed now, and we have loot, and we are continuing to loot more. Transforming. Is there another House down here, or what's going on down here? No, but there's, oh, wow. This village has a lot going on. Underground as well. What are you doing there? Okay. Amplify the night. What do you want to bet if you go to that mountaintop and walk along there, you won't see another village? That's awesome. Oh, here we go. A little bit more. Hey, seeds, just what we need. Reduce the points. Redesign. Ba-da-da. Changing all the vibes. Bum, 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 bum. Curves and angles rise in a dance, a life. Call away the excess. Scope the seed anew. Expressions flowing right on cue. Shape, shift, dance and move. Triangles and squares. Ba-do-ba-do-ba-do-boo. Geometric flair. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Dare I go up here? I don't even know what's going on. Call away the excess. Sculpt the seed anew. Hey, cat, what's up? What's up, kids? What is up, kids? What was that? Oh. Boy, there's actually quite a bit of loot here, but none of it's helpful. I mean, oh. Hello, sir. Alright, he's jumping on the bed. Hold on. When in Rome. Hello, sir. Yes, I see that you're changing your vertical alignment there. What? Boom, Oh, we got iron. Dun, 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 dun. I can taste the just beyond bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum. One last fix. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 Boy, there's more loot. Bum 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. One last fix. Bum, 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 bum. Uh-oh, hold on. Captain, we are quickly approaching a vast underground abyss that we want to avoid falling into. Fix, bum, 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 bum. Excuse me. Yummy. Ba-da-da, bum, 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 ba, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum. Bum, 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 ba, da, da, ba, da, da. Right in front of a child, murdering parents. How dare you? Well, if it weren't delicious, I wouldn't dare. Doo-doo, one last fix. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't it right up here? I'm looking for the pumpkin. If you can see the pumpkin, leave a note in chat. Bum, bum, bum. Where? Oh, there it is. Excuse me. Captain, I believe we've found the pumpkin. Yes, Spock, thank you. Begin your scan, Spock. See if there is a sentient life form in the pumpkin. Captain? Spock, you heard me. Captain, we may have found a sentient life form in the pumpkin, but it does not resemble a pumpkin life form. Are you sure, Spock? What exactly would a pumpkin life form be? And therefore, how do you know that it isn't a pumpkin life form? Captain, you're right. Also, Captain and Spock have the same voice. Did you notice that? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. This and other Minecraft nerdy adventures will be chronicled on stream in a hardcore world. Okay, are we going this way or ouch? I think ouch, and then we are going this way, so... Dun, Boy, we're definitely in acacia land here, so... Captain, there's no escaping... Oh, there's a cherry blossom. We shall head that direction, I believe. Oh dear. I feel like we're losing our accent from serious / comedic Star Trek over to British. Oh dear. I suspect you're correct. Oh, wow. I feel like I'm lost in a Minecraft simulation of some kind, Captain. I appear to be at the top of a rather large mountain. And I believe, Captain, that I'm looking for a village. I'm seeking out villagers. But now I am lost more than ever. And I'm questioning my existence. Oh my goodness. I'm wondering, Captain, if it would not be best to simply restart my existence. Now, is this the way that I came from? Have I gone in complete circle here? I believe that this is a new village. Hey, what's up, dude? You know, I okay. I only have 3 emeralds, but this is pure emerald right here. This is pure emerald. Okay, this is a fun village. I'm seeing some cartographers' homes, and I just had a coffee, so yeah. Ah, you two are jumping on the bed. You are quickly changing your vertical axis alignment in a boisterous way. All right, let's, yeah. Wait, I gotta get out of here. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. 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 Bum 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 bum. Where that one? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Dun 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 dun. It's a burning zombie. Excuse me. Dun, 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 dun. What was that? An arrow? From where? Whoa. Run, bro, run. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, ba, da, da, bum, ba, 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 bum. Okay, that was scary. Oh, wow. There's a house way down there. Is it lit up down there? Did I go in that house? I don't remember. What is that house? Bum, 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 bum. Do you need some help with your door, sir? Excuse me, sir. There. Don't say I never did anything for you. Did I go in here? I did not. Oh, this is a weird little... This is like a librarian's home. Weird. Double doors. And very skinny. I've never seen a house like that. I love it. I love it. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-da-da-bum, bum, ba-ba-ba-dum, dum. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, we got llamas. Run away. Scared of those guys? Not really. I guess they're just out of time. Let's restore his nice little pathway that was here. How about that? There you go. What do you? Oh, there you go. Where's your work? Oh yeah, I think I saw his workspace. And don't I have some emeralds in here? Can I just take out an emerald? I don't know how to take out just an emerald. Colors shining bright. Digital dream through the day and night. The day and night? Oh dear. Oh dear. Bites a line in the voxel maze. Endless lands lost in a craze. In a craze. The beat. See you later, Gordon. Pixel streams where our dreams collide. Bum, 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 bum. Sparks of inspiration through the stream, creating endless wonders, living in a dream. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Bum, 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 bum. Beats driving strong, melodies unite us where we belong. Go to the beat, ba-da-ba-ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Into pixel streams where our dreams collide. Of inspiration flowing through the stream, creating endless wonders, living in a dream. Bimp, bimp, high, beats driving strong. Melodies unite us. Where will we be? Go to the beat, ba-da-ba-ba-da, rhythm guide. In the pixel streams where our dreams collide, 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 collide. Bum 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 bum. Pixel streams where our dreams collide. Our dreams are colliding. Captain, I'm sensing a dream collision. Stand by. Go to the beat. In the pixel streams where our dreams collide, collide, collide. Bum 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 ba-da-bum ba-dum. Voxel Planet Controls Tutorial. Vertical speed. Jetpack fuel. High above the world. A traveler searches. He finds what he was looking for. The elusive red terrain. He has sought it for a millennia. Finding it now, he is mesmerized. He cannot believe his eyes. Actually, it happens all the time, but you know, you get the point. Alrighty, I shall return in just a moment.
left at dawn in a silver hold, with a crate of glass and a load of gold. The stars stretched long like a prayer unmade, and the old world slept as my engines prayed. A lonely trader on the midnight run, counting promises out past the sun. Your name came back in the radio snow, like a hand.
Excuse me, I took a nap earlier. I'm trying to figure out how long I was asleep. It's the point of this, so. But it matters not. What? 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 Oh my, what's this song, Jeff? Hold on.
Little sparks in the empty air, telling me love was already there. So I keep asking the night.
Okay. Ooh, that's good. Where are we at? Okay. All right, let's see what's going on here with, what are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, bum, 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 bum. If I choose not pop out, oh, there it goes. Okay, it's back. Chat, it's back. Chat, you're back. Name me on. So this is the question I was going to ask earlier. Why not just put the enums? Other systems need to reference the state. Oh. Excuse me, this is a... I'm just drinking in the glass in the speaker and of my mic. All right. It looks exactly the same. What's going on? Oh, I see. Okay. All right.
Shapes come into sight. From chaos, beauty springs. Life in every string.
Oh, okay. All right. Game state becomes the traffic controller. Okay. Game becomes the orchestrator. Subsystems become independent modules. That's exactly what I want. So, yes. Scenes become self-contained world. This is exactly where I want to head towards. Go, move, direction of. Okay. By the light of under. Ba-da-bum. And all of them communicate through clean, intentional pathways, not globals. Let me break down the pattern you're moving toward. The pattern used by Unity, Godot, Unreal, and every custom engine worth its salt. Have you got a custom engine worth its salt, bro? Soup Heroes X Hister, thanks for the follow. I realize I'm calling it out 3 days later. However, what you're actually doing, the real architectural shift. Game owns its state. Okay, sorry. Okay, hold on. Can I just go back here? It's not going back. Ah, there we go. Let's just go back. So there was my prompt. No, this was my other question. Okay, all right. So we have this game state. All right. So it's just the real reason why I was asking as well is because we're just putting it in a game state file. Instead of one line in main, it's one line in main. Game state enum. That's the only thing that's going to be in there. Okay. That's okay. Everybody just calm down. This replaces your old p-state enum. Okay. So the p-state enum is up here. It's right here. Or right there. Okay. See, it's one line in the main. So we're taking that out. Twitch integration version 3 load settings from Twitch stuff text file. Okay. Well, we're on version 4. So you know what, Jeff? Past Jeff. Zap, zap, zap. How dare you? We are king. Let's just go right here. I'm just cleaning these up, really not a big deal. Player chat stats. Okay, that has stuff like the player inventory and stuff. Like chat player inventory. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we effectively just broke it just now. So, oh, did I save it too? Oh, son of a bean dip, Jeff. You passed the point of no return. You saved it and didn't change the name. So, modify your existing Space Gems class. Open the file and add these members to your existing game class. Alright, let's go over here. Game state. So include game state. So actually, once I'm going through here, oh. So why don't we just put this before the space game class? Ouch. Okay, let's just leave that in main. Add these members to your existing game class. What are we adding here? Run set state. Game state equals that, previous state equals that, update state. And is that a new constructor? Do not remove anything else from your game class yet. We're layering the state machine on top of what you already have. Implement the new functions. So this is another constructor, is that? Set state, run, new centralized state logic. Oh, we're even consolidating the game class. I gotcha, okay, update state. And it takes all this stuff out of that, okay. This is the heart of the new state machine. Remove the old global game state from main includes. And did it anyway. Temporary until input is refactored. Then in your main game run. Okay, then. Game equals address of game run. This lets your existing input code still work. The heck? Update your input system to use the new state machine. Your game class now owns the entire state machine. Bottom up. So the reason I'm confused from the beginning of this is because we already have run as a part of game, and it's telling me to add these members to the existing game class, and I'm just wondering what's going on. See, we have a log file too, but it doesn't list that either. I don't think we're on the same page. So let's copy this. Let's save it as 2. We should have saved main as 2. So let's save that one. Because main doesn't currently compile, but we just have to go back to the old enums, but we're not going to do that. Screen glow on my face. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. We took care of that in main. So is this the new one or is this an additional one? I don't know. We already have that, so we're just going to add this, right? One last fix. One last fix.
Then I head out proud. Cello in my chest. Slow and soft and kind.
Let's just go one step at a time and do that, okay? Do not remove anything else from your game class yet. We're layering the state machine on top of what you already have. Implement the new functions in game class. Add these implementations, okay? Space main includes game. Oh, so this is, yeah, the CPP, but we're just gonna do it right in here. Bum, 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Your existing input system, new centralized state logic. Okay. Let's copy this into a file. Does this just set the window equal to the window thing? Okay, that's fine. Actually, and this is just another function too, so let's copy those in. Close that for now. And so let's put these in order here. I like this. So we're gonna go game, the second game, run, and then set state. Okay, here's run. One last fix. Last fix. Bum 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 bum. And I'll bring it back tomorrow. Okay, so then hold on. So now what it says is our run becomes this. While GLF window should close, poll events process input. Update state is the only thing in the middle here, but that's not the only thing in the middle. So game is init, do classes, log file, all that. Oh wait, no, that's game, sorry, run. So this, get the frame stuff, lock the frame, clear, process input, IO, poll, and then it deals with all the messaging stuff from Twitch chat and that. Okay, and then it just replaces this, right? Ba-da-bum. The bytes align in the voxel maze, crafting endless lands, lost in a craze. Bum, ba, ba, bum, bum, ba, ba, dum, bum. Okay, this is gonna break stuff if I just replace it like that. So first, in the first place, all we're going to do is we're going to call update state. And then we're going to take out what all it actually does. Okay, then we're going to take out what all it effectively replaces. And then we're going to make sure that it knows what we did. Okay, let's put this back. That there. So the title, okay, render title. Dun, 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 dun. See, does it have warp active? It's okay. Let's just render title screen. Okay, taking that out. Space, do show space. Okay, it doesn't do this. So let's put this in there. Now it effectively replaces that. Okay, show trading. Okay, so show trading. Planet, terrain, trading. Do show trading down there. So it doesn't do... Does it do all three of those? Let's see. Trading. Do show trading? Okay, it doesn't do transforms. But it does call do show trading. Okay, we just need to add those in, that's fine. Computer, stop it. Melodies unite us where we belong. Oh, I'm changing this in source, and then I'll copy it over. Okay, that's fine. Do show planet probably has the same issue. So let's go in here to do show planet right here. Do transforms, at least it's got that in there. Oh. Shit. Shoot. Let's just replace that so we get that. Okay. Computer. Okay, show terrain slider, probably just missing this. Show terrain slider, show planet, do transforms. We don't do transforms when we show the terrain slider, we don't really care. Do show terrain GUI? Why do we have that? Don't we do that in the do show planet with an option? Are we moving that? I don't know yet. Let's comment that out here. I'm not sure why that was put in there, but we will ask the AI. We will ask the hive mind. Do show crafting, chat accounts, display, all this. Okay, so where's crafting? Space, crafting. Chat accounts, display inventory, player 1. Chat accounts, display. So it doesn't do this or this. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Whoa, computer, stop saving. I keep hitting Control S. It's my fault. Pardon me, my fault. Sorry about that. Okay. Show title, show crafting. I don't think we need this anymore. Dun, 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 dun. See, because show title's up here. So show title, show crafting. Let's put it in both of them. Here's crafting. Let's just put it there. And then title, put it up Okay, I think that's in there now. Warp active, okay. Trading warp, okay, do warp effect. That's good. We can just get rid of that altogether. Okay. Swap now. I think we're leaving that in, right? Okay. Okay, the other thing is the exit. Clean up, log file, close, return. Should window close true? Let's see if that is the case. Now this is our actual update state function. I think I majorly screwed this up, but we'll see. Does that compile? Oh wait, okay, hold on. Computer, son of a... Oh, you know what? We should make sure this... Let's make sure this one compiles first. I know, I broke it. It's fine. It's fine, chat. Everything's fine. Nothing to see here, really. Let's get rid of that. We don't need to save. Okay, let's open. But what we need to do is find the, where's the, shoot. Here. Main space gems 272. It's fine. Everything's fine. Main space gems 27. Bum, 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 bum. Did I break anything else? No? Nice. Okay. Okay, I'll be back then. Here. So let's go to the one that we just made now. So we don't need that anymore. Let's see if this one even compiles is the whole point here. I don't think that it will. Did I miss something then? Are we only on step 3? This is the heart of the new state machine. Remove the old global game state from main includes 1. Then in your main, let's Main includes 1. I'm scared. So let's go into here. Let's call this main includes 2. Do we have a main includes 2? How many main includes do we have, bro? Main includes 0, 1, 2 globals, 3, 4, 5, 300, 400. Okay. Let's just say main includes removal in progress 1. File name. Do I have to put .h right here now? File not found. Check the file. What? Oh, I want to save as. Oh my god, my brain is so fried at the moment. Okay, where are we at? So this is a new file. This is a new file. Hold on, we need the... Okay. There's one thing right. P state. Oh, right here is what it wants me to take out. I'm scared. P state. P state, game state, P state, previous state. So delete these lines. I'm scared. Replace it with temporary until input is refactored. Oh, okay. Let's replace those. Hold on. So we're just going to replace these in main include removal 1. Paste that right there. And then we're going to go into here. Okay. Okay, that seems pretty straightforward. I think it's going to break everything that uses those, though, isn't it? Then in your main CPP, this lets your existing input code still work. So does that mean we're using the other constructor now? Oh, we can take this out now. So don't we also want to do like, yeah, because we have that one. Game, Space Gems window. G game equals game. I'm not sure about this one because what we do... Oh wait, we're not in main. Because we instantiate the game. Don't we want to use the constructor that does everything? This will use a different constructor. And it'll just send the window to it, right? Oh, unless we set this to be the constructor definition, let's just go here. Let's just change the constructor here then, because that's what he's trying to do. Okay, so then we're not going to have two constructors. I was confused. I think I've resolved that confusion now. And I think that works. I'm just a little leery of this. I still don't know where this fits in, but I think it does explain it down here. Okay, update your input system to use a new state machine. Anywhere you have game state equals show planet, replace with game state, set state, game state. Okay. So do we need to search for examples? Old. Game state space equals. Okay, so let's just look for... These are probably all in the input system, right? Just update your input system. So those are all from... Not in main. Those are in main includes, right? So let's search for that. Okay. So this is kind of a large... All right. This is a bigger update than the AI is giving it credit for, and it's just... This is a lot right here in just one simple little... Anywhere you have this, replace with that. That's not a lot. I mean, that's not a small thing. Update warp and trading transitions. That's a lot. Okay. So step 5 and 6 is a little bit of work. This is the main work in transitioning from the old state system that's scattered everywhere to a consolidated modular state system that lives in the game class. Quite nice. Okay, let's do it. Where was I at? We're in here. No, we're in main includes. So actually, since I took the other ones out, excuse me, if I take this out as well, anywhere there's a red squiggly should be an issue that I can... So the trading, it tells me input system, trading transitions, game state equals that. The new, so we have a set... Oh, now it just clicked. Okay. Oh, cool. So set state, next state equals game state planet. Okay. And then do we have a get state? Because right here we're going to need... Okay, hold on. Set state, update state. Okay. Game state, but it's private. So let's do this. And let's just return the Okay, but what about previous state? Because we use that as well. Let's just have another. And if I'm wrong, I can just take these out, but pretty sure we need this. These instrumentals are just gorgeous. So the first one here, game state. Because what we need right here is it's in here. Bum, 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 bum. Oh wait, did it tell me something different about how it... Space Gem's one window? Oh. Oh wait, copy. That goes into main. So right here, all right, well, it tells me how to do that one first. Let's try that. So the first one, oh, copy this. Bum, bum, bum. Trading. So can't we just go G_G get state back to soon Okay, I think that works. Next, game state equals warp active. So then we're setting the state. I think it's forgetting about the next state. Update warp and trading transitions. Wait, we're leaving next state in? Son of a bean dip. To life. Back so soon. I think I took it out. Dun 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 dun. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Right under there. Okay, let's just wait. How can we do that? We don't have a P state anymore. Dun 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 dun. Die. Dun 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 dun. We worship this beating. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 just warp, okay. Thanks, AI. You got it wrong, bro. Okay, we're gonna leave next state alone for a second because we have a question. No, we can't let it alone. So the warp transitions, does it talk about it? Dun, 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 dun. Next state, is that a global then? Oh, hold on. So here's the game state, and then next state should be shall we just set it? Joy and thunder, hack the night with words to plunder. In waves and wonder, underpinned by the light of under. Set state. Okay, so we're gonna also create a set and get for the next state. I think we just have to set the next state. We don't ever have to get it. So hold on. Set next state. Game state. Bam, ba, bam, ba, 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 bam, bam, ba, bam. Ba, 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 bam, bam, ba, bam. Computer, where's this set state? Good. Thunder hack. Words hearts to plunder. By the light of under. Okay, so next state equals new next state. There you go. That's at least helpful. Dun, da, da, dun. Is that Copilot? Or is it Windsurf? I know, Windsong, Windsurf, whatever one that is. Okay. Oh. So next state, set next state. Didn't we just... Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, we can make a function for that, but will that work too? To the shader playground. Dun, 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 dun. Don't we have a set previous state? I'm scared right now. Bam, bam, ba, bam, 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 da. Bam, bam, da, bam, my mind. Dun, 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 dun. The shader playground. Dun, 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 dun. Bam, ba, da, da, bam, ba, ba, dun. Dun, 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 to light. 6,000. Oh. Are we supposed to be at 6,000 BPS or whatever? Isn't the maximum 6,000? 4,000? I don't know. I am unsure, Captain. Let's keep going. If game state equals show space. Okay, what are we doing here? Back to the shader playground. So this is here. If G underscore game get state. Oh, thank you. Yeah, equals game state. Oh, can we do that then? Okay. Into life. Okay, cool. Game state equals previous state. So then we want to go G underscore game. Set state. No, we want to go G underscore game. Get previous state. Like that. Back to the shader playground. Dun 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 dun. Bum, 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 dum, bum, 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 bum.
Rushing through the car, all this magic.
So if game state is not equal to warp active. Background. If crazy global is less than 20, don't worry, we're getting rid of crazy global eventually. That's the whole point of this. So get state is not equal to game state shader playground. Dun 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 bum 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 bum. Oh, we're just using the same thing there. Bum 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 bum. Game state equals show crafting. Okay. Okay, this is becoming easier. And I like doing it this way. Tiny swirl of weather, every border just falls apart. Okay, so we can do a little bit of substitution here. How do you do a quick replace? We're going to go game state, quick replace it with G underscore game. One fragile home. In selection and replace all. One fragile home, and then show space. We're going to replace with game state. I think that's the right one. Let's see. Okay, show title. We only do that once. Title. Okay. Show planet. Like game state. Planet. Previous state. Okay, so that's where we go. Kinder than before. Deeper wars. Up here we're only one fragile home. This one's trading. If we could see what I see, this is going well. I really didn't think it would go. I didn't think this would be this much work. However, it makes sense that it is. So, we are one fragile home. And it's good for me to. Thank you. Show terrain sliders, that's game state. Joe home. Okay. Want me a one fragile home. Computer, what are you doing? Okay. What key did I hit? I don't know. Alright, game. Set. Oops, set. Home. One fragile home. Handle exit button click. Okay. This is so wild that I'm doing this. Does that? Did we break it?
My little room goes still. One screen, a cup gone cold.
Oh. Computer. So this is no longer a P state, it's actually a game state.
Across the blocky hills.
Any more?
Shadows learn my name.
P state, check one. Okay.
A torch against the dark.
Do we actually use that still?
Chasing back the flame.
We don't use it.
Lines of
What is this? Blocks? Okay, so let's take this out.
my head open, getting blue. And all the things
Not that we couldn't use it, but yeah, okay, so block render. We just need to go up here to block render. Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, I just changed it, okay. But we don't use it. And then of course there's a reference to it. There's going to be a reference to it that sends in a game state, so let's go find that. Oh good, it's better at that. They fixed that bug, I think. Yeah. Game is undefined. Bum, 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 ba-da, bum, ba-da, ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum. Dun, dun, dun. Do we really need that? Bum, 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 ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Oh. Wait, are we... Bum, ba-bum, ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba-bum,
like stars behind my eyes. Voxel terrain rises under midnight sky.
What's this one? Block render. Okay, we're not going to use the set state or get state. That's what we were looking for. But hold on. So how do we resolve this? Missing type specifiers. Okay. Okay.
I hear that old arcade light. Hold on. Build it tonight. The whole sky starts to hold. I'm making my own world and I will make it bold. Build it tonight. Dreams in the cold come alive. Dreams in the cold come alive. Hold on. Build it tonight. Let the legend unfold. I'm making my own world.
I didn't even to tell it the error. It knows. Okay. You move the state machine into your game class. Good. But your input system, warp system, trading system, and escape key logic still live in global functions. Those functions need to call gGameSetState, but they don't have access to the game instance created in main. So we temporarily get a global in a header declared, okay, in one CPP file defined. This is a standard C++ transfer regional. Oh, so wait, we need to define this? Game is undefined undefined game. That means the header that doesn't know what game is yet fix. Add this include above the extern. Space games, gems, game class 1. Right? Oh. So why don't we just go and move this up above? Where are we at? Playground. Set state, what? Oh, I don't have a get next state? Hold on. So get next state, we also need that. Hold on. Playground. Bum, 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 bum. I think there's another one that we need as well. Set previous state. Playground. Oh. Bum, 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 do, 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 do. Bum, 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 bum. I just don't like setting these variable names right here. There we go. To me, that seems better. That's just a preference. Dust where no hearts are allowed. Oh, did I just call it previous? Prev? Set previous state?
The stars, they whisper
Get
secrets
previous
I
state.
can't
Okay.
hear.
A light of promise.
Yet it feels so near. I drift through
Ba-dum,
shadows,
ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da, void I wander. A heart of stone.
I'm chasing starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason, a place to just be free. Through cosmic
Echoes, I hear a fragile plea.
hope's the only cargo, it's all that carries me. Planets pass
Bum, 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 bum. What?
each one a story,
Another heartache. Da-da-ba-bum, bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-ba-dum.
with so much at stake. And if I fall, will the stars remember
Oh,
me? Or will I fade into
but wait, why did I do it like that? That's not. I scream my name, but it's swallowed by the night. Still, I push forward.
still chasing the light?
Game state equals. Okay, I did the same thing here. Too much coffee. Previous state.
A place to just be free.
So that's set state. Set state. Set previous state. All right. I was wondering why there's so many errors here. Get state equals. Now we're setting the state to the previous state. Get state. Okay. So set state to space. Okay. That was a jumble. Okay. I am GUI, do class and it's all the, okay. Now we're having issues. So wide awake. One spark ignites the fire inside. Oh, what? All right, let's run it again. Hold on. What exactly is to decide? Space Gem's 1 undeclared identifier in game. The world's rotating. That's a big one. What's going on here? So in game, Space Gems 1. Oh. Space Gems 1 window isn't produced until we actually get Okay, this is wild. The first one is Space Gems 1 undeclared identifier. Let's just, okay. I know exactly what's happening. Okay. Why am I not surprised? You don't need to paste anything yet. This is one of those classic refactors of the game. Let me explain why something we can define a game class and then give you the access. I think I know why. Oh. So I moved main includes after those, and I had to move those above those to get the thing. So it's a circular include, and we have to do the include thing. Include main inside your game class implementation file. Oh. So this. Excuse me. I don't want to do that. So do I have to move it above, or can I just move it above? We can put it inside the actual file, but can we just move it above? Or then game is undefined. Okay. All right, well, let's try this. Uh-oh. Game is undefined. Okay. So now it's saying, okay. This gives the game class access. Why we included in this. See if this works here. Circular includes. Jeff, breathe. I'm fine. This is going really well. I know this is a problem, but it's easily fixed. Circular includes feel like the universe collapsing in on itself, but they're actually one of the easiest problems to fix. I know. And you don't need to upload everything yet. I already know exactly why this happened, how to fix it, cleanly, walk you step by step. You don't know exactly why, because I didn't follow all the instructions the way you said. Why you suddenly have circular includes, you have that. Yeah, I know. The correct architecture must not include your game class. Open includes, remove this line if it exists. Main includes. Space gems. I don't have any includes in my main includes. Okay. This is the root of the circular include. That is not the problem. Space gems 1 must not include main includes. Space. You just told me to put it there. Okay. I get it. You just told me to put it there. It's fine. Removing. The only CPP file should include both that and Space Gems class 1 CPP should have .h and computer. You're killing me. Okay. This breaks the circular loop. Let's live only in one place. Put this in main. Okay, that's where it is. We do not include the game header only from the actual division being one CPP file. Then inside main, why this works. If you want, verify your exact file structure. No, hold on. Shader dreams by the light of... this is where it was while we were working. So... So let's go with this file. Main includes removal. And this file. Okay. We're gonna upload and... oh, here we go. Hold on, where's the... main includes... Oh, it's almost there. Space Gems new. Okay, hold on. So this one, hold on. Main includes removal. Okay, main Space Gems 2 and Space Gems Class 2. Okay. Joy and thunder, hack the night, worlds to plunder. We'll close that for now. Okay, so 2 merge 1 is now, yeah. And what are we going to call this one? Where's the latest one of these we've done? 2 merge 1, update Space Trader 02 is what we'll call it. Here? Okay. Can we just hit F8 here? Oh. 2 merge 1.text. Okay. Update Space Trader 02.text. Okay. Thank you, PowerShell.
His hands are worn like the keys he pressed. A wizard of syntax, a coder obsessed. In the glow of a screen where the night confessed. Dreams of realms in a world he accessed.
Yeah, thank you for uploading the updated file. I read through it carefully, and I can now tell you exactly why you're getting circular includes and how to fix them cleanly. The good news, your refactor is correct. The circular include is caused by 1 missing line and 1 extra line. We can fix this without rewriting anything. Below is the precise copy-paste ready fix, the root cause of your circular include. Inside your updated file, I see this line temporary, okay, but I do not see a forward declaration for game. This means the compiler tries to resolve, yeah, and eventually ends up including the game header, which includes something that includes this file, and boom, circular include. This is exactly the scenario I predicted earlier. The fix, copy-paste this exactly out of forward declaration above, and ones, change this to this, class game. Oh. Main includes removal 1, okay. I'm Code of Legends, rise and sing. So right here, with an AI genius by his side. This single line breaks the circular dependency. Make sure no header includes the game class. Check these files. Main include removal, main includes 1. And any other main includes variants. Make sure none of them contain Space Gems class. Okay. Okay. Only the CPP files should include both headers. This is the only place where both files should meet. Define the global pointer in 1 CPP file in main. In main, then inside main. Boom, boom, boom. We have that. So do we need this in main? My sphere. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. You did the right thing adding getters and setters is added again. If you want a convenience function, is state. Oh, there you go. That's perfectly fine and clean. This would be a good, yeah, you're extremely close to a complete compile. The circular and glyphics will unblock the next set of errors. If you want, I can paste the next compiler and walk you through it. The next compiler error, one by one. Until the project builds clean, or if you can move on to the next steps. Oh, wait, okay. Yeah, well, let's see if we get it. I don't even know if we'll get an error. I'm kind of unfamiliar with what this does. Game pointer game equals null pointer. I guess game underscore game was never... Was it defined? Wasn't it defined? Where was it defined? Now I'm really confused, actually. Oh, extern here. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to ask about that too, but let's see. See if we get a clean compile. That's the whole... No. Okay, I'm still getting the same errors. Trading, conquer, battles won. To the stars we ride. Okay. Alright, hold on. Exploring where the future lies. Can I copy this? In Godot we find our ways. Okay. It's all caused by one missing include in one file. Let me explain it cleanly and give you the why you're seeing all these errors. Yeah, I know why I'm seeing all these errors come from one root cause. Your game class CPP file does not include the header that defines all your global objects and functions. You renamed the file to main includes removal, but your game class still includes the old name or nothing at all. But so inside Space Gems class 1. Oh, but we're using 02. Hold on. The compiler sees no... Okay. And it throws 100 errors. Exactly what happens to the game class. The fix. Copy paste opens. Paste. And at the very top, make sure you have both includes. In the game class, this is the missing piece. This must be the new file name, not the old main include. If you still have that, delete it and replace with that. Okay, so we just need to move that into the space game class here. I'm not comfortable with that. Bum, 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 bum. Maybe it would, is it okay to do that? Use of undefined type game. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-dum, bum. Mm-hmm. Bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun. At a time. You fixed the circular include, but now the compiler cannot see the game class at all. This is caused by one missing forward declaration in one header. Let's fix it cleanly. Why you see the use of undefined type gaming? Okay, this is what I was going to ask you about. Inside your updated file, I see this, but I do not see class game. Yes, it is there. You told me to put it there. Wait, it's unstoppable tonight. You told me to put it there, bro. Where did you tell me to put it? Isn't it in here? See, it's right here. In your updated file, I see this. It doesn't say what updated file, though. Without that forward declaration, so every time you call this, it throws exactly what happens. Copy paste this exactly, open removal one, find this, replace it with that. So, okay, so are we using main includes removal one? Yes. Sky of mine. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Line. I'm unstoppable tonight. So everything dun, 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 on the line, da, 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 da. Unstoppable tonight. So we're supposed to include it in here then? Didn't you tell me to take that out a little bit ago? Dun, 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 dun. Hold on. Shoot, I have all the stuff. I actually, okay, hold on. I think I might have to abandon this conversation, but let's see. Can I go to, where's ChatGPT? Am I in? Code Copilot. Okay. So how do I get a new conversation with Code Copilot? Code Copilot. New chat. Where should we begin? Wait, go here? Ah, here. Okay. Just went by the rain, one honest lie. This one. Back in the game, back to orbit now, back to the code, back to the place where your true light shows. Take my hand, come on. Okay. The first line was shaken, the second breathed in. A ship in the dark, Oh, should it just be at the top of the file rather than... Is that the only thing that was wrong? No. No, okay. Space Gems Class 2, didn't I just... Add this at the top, class game, and move C++ above that inside main Space Gems new 2. What? Main Space Gems new 2. Alright, hold on. In Space Gems Game Class 2, add this at the top. Class Game. Space Gems Game Class 2. Did I do this right? Okay, hold on. This line in main includes removal is compiled before this includes. So the compiler is going to fix number 1, add a forward declaration. File includes, add this near the top before extern game. Okay, I did that. So it becomes fragment once, class game, blah, blah, blah. That alone should eliminate all of the use type errors. Fix number 2, include order. Fix number 2. So I did that, but I still am going to get all those errors, though. No, that did not fix it. That alone did not fix it. So I kind of am wondering if I should follow the rest of the instructions here. You currently have Space Trader Game State, Space Trader Game Class, and that, but Space Gems Class 2 itself depends on functions from main... Oh, okay. This creates a circular include dependency. Game class. I sold my name for fuel and watched my... How does this depend on... Oh, for all that stuff. I mean, we're going to pull those eventually. Oh, see, this is proper solution. In Space Gems, add this at the top. All right, we're just going to do that. Space Gems Game Class 2. I don't know why we would do that, because we already have a class game. That's where class game is defined, bro. In Space Gems Game Class 2, I'm going to go ahead and move this to the side over here. Sorry, chat, if you type in anything, I'm not going to see it, but nobody's there anyways, right? Okay. Add this at the top, class game. It's defining the class game, though. And move main includes removal above. Ah. In Space Gems Game Class 2, this is so awkward. Because it lists the file that we're modifying here first, and then here this one says a statement, and then it lists the file that we're modifying at the end, which is weird. But inside Space Gems 2, add this at the top. It's not very clear. That's so wild. So do I put it right there? I have no idea. And move main includes removal above Space Gems Game Class 2 in main. So move this one above like that. That's how I had it. Like this. That. Okay, that's what I have. Missing global definition. You declared this, but I do not see the actual definition. Add this one CPP file only recommended. Main space gems to CPP add. We have that before main. We have that example. We have that. I gave you a copy of main. Do you not see that? I'm confused at the moment. Fix warnings. Ignoring unknown option subsystem windows. Usually caused by putting linker flags in compiler flags in Visual Studio. Set Windows subsystem. Remove manual subsystem windows from. Oh. Find show planet, do planet, what? Most likely final clean fix. In main includes removal 1. We already have that. In main space gems new 2. Main removal, gems, and that. Okay, biggest architecture issue. Okay, yeah, I know. I'm not confident now. I'm not sure if... Okay. Okay, I carefully made sure to implement everything related to the game class you suggested, and I'm still getting the same game undefined errors. Problem is not the extern game line itself anymore. The real issue is main includes removal H. Contains full function implementations that call game state, and forward declaration only lets you do game pointer. It does not allow calling member functions because the compiler still doesn't know the class. That's why you're still getting use of undefined game exact issues. This is illegal with only class game present. Because the compiler needs full class definition. Correct fix. You must include space gems class before any function written using game. Your architecture currently creates a circular include. Remove this include from Space Gems game class 2. What? Remove include main. Okay. Step 1. Step 2. At the top of main includes removal. Now we're undoing everything we just did. Add Space Gems class 2 H before anything using game. And they're done. Right there. Like this. Now your include order. Now your include order in Space Gems new main should be Space Trader game state 1. Gotcha. Main includes removal 1. Gotcha. Only. Remove this. Oh. Because it's already included now. Define global once main space gems new, and then we have that. Define global once. Because now C++ that has full visibility of the class game before compiling all those giant function bodies. Why forward declaration failed? Forward declarations only work for game pointer reference game func. Excuse me, not for pointer member functions. Even better solution recommended. Your header is acting like a CPP file. This is the real problem. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to work around that. Main includes removal, contains globals implementation. Yeah, we're trying to work on that. This should really become main includes removal CPP, and the header file should contain declarations only. This would instantly eliminate all circular include paint. Oh. Your fastest successful fix. Removal from that, add that, top of that. This should finally kill the undefined game errors. Remove from Space Gem's class 02. And add space to that. Okay, so we did that. So if I continue to get these same errors, Space Gem, now we're getting the, okay. Okay, I think I know what to do. And it's a pain. Okay, can I fix my mouse here? My mouse is totally, the cable is rubbing up against, okay, I think we're fine. Okay, so, computer. Are we in, okay, we're able to keep this conversation. I'm gonna go like this. The main problem is the circular includes because I don't have .h and .cpp files properly, like I should. Please list out the proper .h and .cpp files complete so that I can copy paste, and let's get the definitions declared before the implementation. Let's see if we can do this. I don't know that it will do it. You've outgrown the everything in one giant header architecture. Are you sure about that? Necromantic Monarch, thanks for the follow. You've outgrown the everything in one giant. Let's fix this the right way with a clean, modern engine-style layout. Oh God. Oh God. I'm going to give you a complete, clean file structure with exact C8. Look forward to the game is going to the same issue. The new file structure. Copy this exactly. Oh God. Game state, game CPP, globals, global CPP, space trader main, your main. Later we'll extract subsystems, but this is the minimal clean structure. Game state. Simple, clean, no includes. Okay. This file declares the game classes do not include globals and not include heavy headers. Okay, so that one I can do, right? We just put the okay. Let's do that first. So game class here. So let's also save game class CPP. Okay. Excuse me. So in the CPP, we're going to go like this. We're going to take out this. I don't think we need that. Okay. And then we're going to go back to here. Wait. And here. So the .h, we're just going to leave this. I don't think we need that. And we're going to take out all the rest of this file. Okay, that's not as painful as I thought. However, how do we get this to compile? Do I have to include this now? Where's the AI? Game CPP. This includes both the game editor and the game. Okay, game. Okay. Pixels light up the flicker of my way. Colliding worlds where the players stay. Hope won't fall, sky burns so bright. Globals.h. I'm so screwed. Oh, Lord. Look at that. Wow. Global CPP. Oh, no. Space Trader main. Your main. Okay. Okay. Listen close to the cadence of my soul. Every line of code making me whole. Unstoppable spirit, the will to fight. Racing through darkness. How do I actually wire this into VS Moment? Here's a step by step. Just create a header file in the project. In solution. Okay, now I did that. New item, CPP. Choose header, name it, click add. Paste the game content, save, create the source file in the Solution Explorer, right click the same project, click add new item, name it exactly that, click add where? In the Solution Explorer. Just put it below here? Ah. Space Jam, hold on, Space Jam's game class 2, okay, hold on, source, add, existing, so now can we just go back to here? We don't have to include it in main includes. Bum, 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 bum. Every line. No. Wow. Okay. Okay. I don't know if it's because I just woke up and had caffeine and possibly need to eat, or it's been 2.5 hours. I have literally never spent this much time coding, and it's felt like 20 minutes. So this feels overwhelming, and in order to wrap my brain around it fully, so what do I need to do next? Like with the main includes? Because it's .h. So do we, oh, hold on. Pixels day and night with our hearts. Okay. Prevents a circular include. And this, yeah, we already have that main. So main includes removal 1, and then we're also going to save this as main includes removal CPP. Okay, so the CPP, we don't need all this declaration or the variables, right? Okay. So there's the CPP. Okay, now open. Good thing I have my scroll wheel fixed. Theater, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Trying to scroll. Leave it alone. Wind surface so annoying sometimes. Okay, so we're taking all that out. So removal.h. Okay, now we'll go main includes removal CPP. Add existing. Okay. Okay. Now, do we really need this here? I don't think so. Do we need class game? I don't think so. All right. Okay. $222 errors. Okay, so it had a bunch of those things listed for me. Wait, that was ChatGPT, wasn't it? Hold on. Wasn't this the one that had all the externs? No, it was actually in here. Have you got those externs again? Oh, here. Is this it? Externs. So this goes into the globals. Oh. So we still need this at the top of, okay. Main includes removal. Still need this at the top. Okay. Then all of these, why is it not giving me all of those as externs? All your global variables. So this isn't all of them, is it? See, because we have bool keys. Okay, first mouse, last X. See, camera position. Tell you what, as we see those here, we're just going to delete them there. Camera position, front. Okay, hold on. Oh, camera position, front, up. Okay. Or wait. Since we're declaring it here, we don't need the declaration. These, on the other hand, this should be, okay, so since we're declaring it there, the first place that we use these, that gets a little bit messy. But only with the camera, because we're trying to start. So when a global needs an initial value like your camera vectors, you do not put the initialization in the header. You put it in the CPP file because headers declare, CPP files define and initialize. How to handle globals that need initial values. In globals, you declare them as extern, no initialization. This tells every file these variables exist somewhere in globals. Oh, so I'm going to move that to globals and define and initialize. Okay. So what all are we moving? We're just moving these. And this goes into main includes removal CPP. Okay. We're putting them up there. I'm so confused. fine. Hold on. Okay, so that's fine. dx, dy, ship rotation. Okay, that we don't need. Delta time, last frame, current frame. But we still need PS, dx, and dy, okay, I guess. Okay, delta time, current frame, space games. These are all the objects. Game objects, okay. System, background, ship, planets, blocks, user accounts, B-font. Okay. System, background, ship, planets, block, user accounts, B-font. Everything. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Music, volume level, loop music. Music, volume level, this all. Okay. So volume level gets set to 50 and loop music gets set to true. So that goes into here, right there. Extern, okay, boost and Twitch chat client. Okay. I think that is Twitch chat client. This is an initialization. Pretty sure that's gonna go. Because that's just a declaration. It's not sending that information to the constructor. Okay. The sky. This really hurts my brain, and I don't like all the red, so I'm going to shut it down. Start it up again. Okay, I'm not confident anymore. The red's still there. Error. Oh my god. I clearly have no idea how to do this. Name followed by that must be what? Must be a class or a name. Now it's not recognizing GLM? What the hell? Okay. So confused right now. Okay, so game state, main includes removal, space gems too. I am okay. Man, the helmets hit the skies. In the void where legends rise. Boot the game, let worlds unfold. Endless space adventures rolled. Planets spin and engines hum. Trade and conquer battles won. Into the dark we ride. With neon lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide. Ignite the night with pride. With pride. Rush the dawn and feel the blaze.
born from coding flares, scripts that sing of cosmic days. In good doubt we find our ways. Into the stars we ride, with neon lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide.
Oh.
Ignite the night with pride, with pride.
Okay. That's new. So GLM main includes removal. Okay. Wow. Okay. That's huge news to me. That I had no idea that. I mean, okay. That's wild. That's honestly wild. So right here. So am I going to have to include every include now? That seems so redundant. Why am I even doing it this way? This is so weird. So Twitch chat client is now, so inside main includes removal. It's dependent on Twitch chat client, this one. Oh man, this is so crazy. All right, well, one little error at a time. Solar 1, do we need to update that and get that going? Build errors, okay. This declaration has no storage class or type specifier. Names STD has no member vector. What? Unrelated. I couldn't think to spell that. That's wild. Yeah, I think my brain is breaking down. Like, this might actually be way easier than I think, and I just, yeah. The ability to not instantly spell unrelated might be an issue. Wow. Okay, but the Twitch chat client class .h file is completely unrelated, and that's the problem. Which seems... Okay. It just seems completely unrelated, bro. unrelated. So now we have to include vector, string. What, the boost stuff goes in there? Alright, hold on. Vector. Here, let's just copy all this and delete the appropriate whatever. This seems wild. This seems really wild. Okay. So am I actually... Can I just leave that? I'm leaving that. Should I just copy all of the includes? It's just crazy. It's crazy. Now what's going on? See out is not... Twitch chat client. Oh my god, Twitch chat client. What? This is so wild, bro. I do not understand this. What? Oh my god. IO service. Undeclared identifier main includes removal. What? Okay. That's what I was trying to do. Fall back to a compiled state and refactor incrementally. All right. I'm gonna look at this off stream later. Actually, I probably will look at this on stream later. Anybody that can make any sense of this? Is there somewhere where I am just way off? Because I know that there is. I know that there is. Do I have to break everything down now into .h and .cpp files? Because that's crazy. This was perfectly fine and working. I mean, all I have to do is fall back. That's all I have to do. Just for the sake of feeling better, I'm going to do that because, yeah. Wait, before I do that, I'm going to go into here. Okay, so we have new, and then we have include, removal, and then we also made this a CPP file. Okay, but it does not work. Repeating, it does not work. Okay, and then class Twitch chat client 4. Oh, I messed that up too. Monolith. Let's just take this stuff out. Again, we don't need to include that. If we're going to change that, we're going to change it in the other one. So remove. What I'm doing is I'm going to go back and compile it to make myself feel better, to know that I didn't break the last clean compilation the way that it works. And I may start a new conversation, but that sucks because I had everything in this one. Okay, computer, main Space Gems, new 2. Where's main Space Gems, new 1? There it is, okay. 6:50 p.m., so this was, yeah, almost 2 hours, bro. The good news is I feel really well familiarized with the actual... Oh, I did change that, and I saved it, didn't I? Main includes... Here, it doesn't use it anyway, so we can just take it out. New thoughts in the machine. I read it line by line. I clean the tangled spine, one small change at a time, and it starts to shine. Okay. All right. That was fun. Oh my god. I feel like Gordon Ramsay when the team just fucked up. So what I think I need to do is probably start a new conversation and start back from this particular one that compiles and works and go from there, because the changes that it was asking me to make, given the code that I gave it, caused the circular include. I think I can get it to work around that, but I think I have to tell it to use my coding style. I'm making each part last, a cleaner road ahead, built from the broken past. Step by step, I build it better. Step by step, I hold it steady. I was lost inside the noise, now the path is getting ready. Step by step, I build it better. Step by step. Now that you're back on solid ground, here's the correct path forward, one that matches your coding style. Keep things safe and gets you on the modern C++ without another 600 error explosion. This is a path I'd give a junior dev on a real engine team. The safe incremental refactor plan. No giant jumps, no ripping it. We're going to evolve your code base in small controlled steps, each one compiling before moving on. Here's the roadmap. Extract only the game state enum into its own file. The smallest possible change cannot break anything. Actually, I think that's where we're at, right? I don't even know. Step by step, I hold it steady. I was lost inside the noise. Now the path is getting... Oh, we didn't even do that. Or no, we have it here, right? Oh my god. All right, I need to stop streaming. That's the number one thing I need to do. So, later. Wow. What the hell? We're going to have a time.